Foldable keyboards are a convenient and portable solution for those who need to work on the go. There are many products available to choose foldable keyboards, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices, to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best foldable keyboards from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Tri-Folding Portable Wireless Keyboard. A short foldable Bluetooth keyboard is a tri-folding portable wireless keyboard with touchpad. It has high compatibility and can connect up to 3 mobile devices at the same time. The touchpad function is only available for above Windows 10 and iOS 13.4.1 and above. It is made of aluminum, light and durable, without worrying about daily wear and scratches. Its open size is 12.4x362x27. Folded size is 629x362x.47. The foldable keyboard with touchpad is equipped with a USB cable, which is compatible with most computers, laptops, portable chargers, and other devices with USB output. Number 2. ProDork Foldable Bluetooth Keyboard. The ProDork XK01 Folding Wireless Portable Keyboard is a full-size travel keyboard that is compatible with Windows, iOS, and Android devices. This keyboard has a 105-key layout with a number keypad and scissor switches that offer quiet and responsive typing. It also allows you to sync up to 3 devices on triple Bluetooth channels simultaneously, making it easy to switch between devices. The keyboard is rechargeable and portable with a 5-month standby time in a single full charge. It is framed with an aluminum body for excellent stiffness and durability. Number 3. iClever Foldable Bluetooth Keyboard. The iClever Foldable Keyboard with touchpad is a portable and compact Bluetooth keyboard that is perfect for travel. It is made with quality aluminum construction and has a matte, solid top frame for increased structural integrity. The keyboard is pocket-sized and comes with a smartphone stand for convenience. It is rechargeable via USB-C and lasts up to 30 days of use. The scissor key mechanism enhances feedback and stability, making typing comfortable, quiet, and precise. The keyboard can seamlessly switch among 3 devices with BT51 tech and automatically recognizes different operating systems and layouts. It is compatible with Windows PE laptop, a Mac MacBook, iPhone iPad, and Android smartphone tablets. The iClever Foldable Keyboard comes with a 1-year limited hardware warranty and 247 email support. Number 4. Samsur's Foldable Bluetooth Keyboard. Samsur's Foldable Bluetooth Keyboard Portable Wireless Keyboard with Stand Holder. Rechargeable full-size ultra-slim folding keyboard compatible iOS, Android, Windows, smartphone, tablet, and laptop. Black. Portable folding Bluetooth keyboard with stand holder and rechargeable battery. Pocket size and easy to use with multi-system compatibility. Perfect for travel and business trips. What we like? Portable folding design with phone holder. Multi-system compatible with fast response. Rechargeable battery with long standby time. Elegant and wear-resistant PU leather. 24-hour email response and lifetime technical support. Number 5. Cinda Folding Keyboard. The Cinda Foldable Bluetooth Keyboard is a portable and versatile keyboard that is perfect for travelers and those who work in different locations. With its foldable design, it can easily be carried around and takes up minimal space in your bag. The keyboard is compatible with a wide range of devices, including Mac, iPad, iPhone, cell phones, laptops, tablets, and PCs. It has a built-in rechargeable battery with a long standby time, making it ideal for short trips or vacations. The colorful green design adds a touch of style to your workspace, and the durable construction ensures longevity. The keyboard also features low-profile keys and quiet typing, allowing you to work comfortably without disturbing others. Overall, the Cinda Foldable Keyboard is a convenient and reliable option for on-the-go typing. That's all from on my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.